All right, here we are on the third floor. Elevator on the key fob comes right up. Parking spot is immediately below us, right by the elevator. You walk straight up. 1,125 square feet when you come in to the property. A little hidden pantry door. Fully updated in 24 and 25. LVP flooring, as you see as you go throughout. We'll come back to the kitchen in a minute. Nice large open living room. No texture on the ceiling. Double pane sliders. So we're on the third floor, so you're getting a nice view without having to look down at it. It kind of all presents right in front of you, which is super nice. Hot tub, pool, and then you've got all of the boat slips right on this side. Nice large balcony, that's the master bedroom right here. And you go into the storage closet. You flow into the master bedroom. And this is all built in for your closet space.
It shows well. It's light and bright. They got rid of all the ceiling texture.
You got all soft close cabinets as they go through. And again, with this place completely renovated and updated, this is the only thing I would look at. These look original to the home, to the property. So that's something that's an easy upgrade that you could do to feel that energy efficiency. Barn door for the master bath. You got the master shower, and you get an oversized tile below as you step into the master shower. And the wand should be up, obviously up here. You got a little place there for the shower stuff. Little finishing stuff needs to be done. Again, the hardest thing in any project is all the finishings. Come back out. We'll go over here to the kitchen. You can see that. So nice, light and bright quartz countertop. Looks like you got a rear draft stove. And again, that is an original window right here as well. Standing here, you can hear the road noise, but again, with an upgraded window, you would not hear that. You're all good. Here is bedroom number 2. Again, original windows. So you've got the pocket door as well as the door coming in this way for guests. So if they're not staying here, they'll enter through that hall, obviously. And if people that are staying here, they have the still ensuite feel. Obviously your washer and dryer and your HVAC and water heater. Listing agent said 24 and 25.